everyone, it's Kayla and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make lip balms with only 2 ingredients. Sounds too good to be true, right? I know, but this is totally possible and I'm totally gonna show you exactly how to do it step by step. This was actually one of my most highly requested videos ever on my channel, like, how do you make lip balm, Kayla? What's an easy lip balm recipe? What ingredients do I need? We're gonna cover all that in today's video, so if you're interested, definitely just keep watching because we're about to get started. So the 2 main ingredients that you're going to need are refined coconut oil, and you can find this at your local grocery store more than likely. And then you are also going to need some white beeswax pellets. You could use yellow as well, and most craft stores carry these. I know Packetans does, and Michael's might. You could also order this online and it is not that expensive. So these are the 2 main ingredients you are going to need to make lip balm. And then also, this is optional, but if you want to flavor your lip balms, I really recommend these little flavor oils by Loran Oils. And I have lots of different flavors in here, as you can see. All of these are unopened. So there's lots of variety with these oils, and I love that. You're also going to need some lip balm tubes or just something to put the product in. You can find these lip balm tubes online. You could also use little cosmetic containers if you want for this, but I prefer the tubes. You're going to also need a tablespoon, or I guess any measuring spoons, just depending on how much lip balm you want to make. And then you're going to need one of these little droppers and a microwave safe measuring cup. Let's start making some lip balm. So now we are ready to get started. Also, it wouldn't hurt to pull your hair back for obvious reasons. We don't want to be making any hairy lip balms. We are going to start off by taking a tablespoon of our white beeswax. So we're just going to open the bag, and I have my tablespoon right here. So we're just going to put 1 tablespoon into our measuring cup. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Can't believe I just said that. And now we are going to be taking our coconut oil. Again, make sure you get the refined. You're going to be measuring out 2 tablespoons of this. There we go. Here's 1, and here goes the other. Get in there, thank you. All right, now that we have our ingredients in there, we are going to pop this into the microwave for about 1 minute and 10 seconds. Sometimes it needs longer, sometimes it might even melt quicker than that. It just depends on your microwave, but just maybe start off with putting it in there for 1 minute and then going from there until it is all melted completely. So I'm gonna go put this in my microwave and I will be right back. So it is all melted, and just a little tip, you're gonna wanna work with this really quickly because it does harden pretty fast. So let's pick our flavor. Ooh, this is really hard. There's so many, I don't know which ones to do, guys. How about, let's do cheesecake. I was actually craving cheesecake earlier today. This will satisfy my craving, hopefully. Okay, so we are just going to open this up. That literally smells like heaven. So now you're going to take your dropper. You're going to put it in, and I didn't do too much. I did about that much, a couple drops. And you are just going to put those couple drops in there. A little goes a long way with the flavor oils because they are very concentrated, and if you put in too much too soon, then the lip balm will taste very bitter. I had to learn that the hard way. Once it is all blended together, I kind of mix it just by swirling it like this, you know, like, don't shake the cup, but just kind of move it in a circular motion, you know what I'm saying? All right, now what we are going to do is we are going to get our containers. In this case, I am using just the classic lip balm tubes. I'm going to set this right here, and we are going to very, very, very carefully pour the mixture into the tubes. So with the ingredient ratio I used, I was able to make 6 lip balms, and that is not too bad. So I have a little bit of leftover, but not enough to make a whole another lip balm. So if you do follow that exact recipe, you can make about 6 lip balms with it. After you fill up your lip balm containers, you do not want to touch them or bump the table that they're on, because the worst thing ever is when that happens. Trust me, I've been there many times before. You have to start all over and all your ingredients go to waste. So just let it be until they harden, and that process takes anywhere from 5 to 10 minutes. So just be patient, and slowly they will start to harden. So guys, it has now been about 10 minutes and my lip balms are officially hardened and ready to try out. So, very excited. Hopefully this will be a win, but we're gonna go for this one. Smells just like cheesecake. Now let's check that consistency. Wow, okay. I would never assume that this lip balm I just put on was made with just 2 ingredients. It's pretty awesome. I definitely would give this recipe 2 big thumbs up. So hopefully this video was easy to follow, and now maybe you guys could try making some lip balms of your own at home. If you do, please let me know how it goes and what flavors you made and how many you made and all that jazz. If you like this, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. And the question of the day is, if you could make any lip balm flavor in the whole entire world, what flavor would you make? I want to hear what you have to say in the comment section below. If I had to answer this question, I would make birthday cake banana. And I can totally do that. Like right now, I've never made that flavor before, and I have my own lip balm brand. That needs to become a reality because that sounds amazing right now. But anyways, guys, I love you to the moon and back. Thank you again for watching, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye! Mwah.